Let's show you how to use our Q battery tester. First, you need to connect the cable to our tester. This red clamp should connect with the positive side. If wrong connection, the tester won't power on. This is voltage. Press OK. There are many types of battery you can test. Now we choose this type. Here, you should find the battery standard on this battery, EN418. So we choose EN418. The test result is good battery. Now we can continue to test its starting and charging system. Press OK. Then start the engine. Increase your REV. This is the test result. Press OK. You can print it. Okay, now the tests are finished. Here, you also can find some additional function. When you power on, press menu. It has many languages. Now here is it. You can see this is its package. We open it. Okay, welcome to contact us for more details. Thank you.